Hello, Mette and Manon. How are you? So this is a few times already I've been trying to record this thing, and it's actually much more difficult than I ever thought it would be. It's very strange because it's as if the form of the presentation of myself or of what I want to say becomes almost more important than the content, just because I know that it's gonna be on YouTube. So I've been like waiting these 3 days to respond on the proposal, because I wanted to try and find a place that I would have a bit of privacy, which I don't here because I'm in the middle of a festival. But then I realized that there is no really reason for me to search for privacy, because anyway it's gonna be completely public, so I'm just gonna do it in the middle. I have no idea if you hear what I'm saying because there is all this music behind, but anyway, yeah, so this format of YouTube is very strange, and I think it's obviously gonna very much affect the way we talk to each other and how we just pass through the information we want to give, because yeah, now I have written down all the stuff I want to say, because I know already that I feel like I'm performing. I feel like I have to be prepared and know what I want to do. Even though I can edit it and change, and still I have an obligation to do it good. So it's a challenge, a good challenge. So yeah, thanks for the offer. I find it to be a very, very exciting offer, because I don't know, you give huge freedom and trust to basically do whatever I believe is interesting in doing and interesting in sharing, and I really appreciate that, and I'm really looking forward to see what it's gonna produce. I think it can be really special. The frame is very special, and yeah, it's cool. So a few of the practical things is I'm gonna be in Amsterdam from September and on, and I was wondering if you have contacts to people that might have a space where I could maybe occasionally work in. I don't think it's necessary to have a set space, but it would be nice to sometimes at least do this thing in the studio. So I don't know if you have that, but if you do, any of you, would be good. Yeah, it's strange now. I'm also realizing there is a gap in the liveness of this talk, because I'm speaking live, and when you will see it, it will be live, but there's already a 3 days delay in the response from what you sent to me. So like, I think this gap is something that can be looked at and see how it produces like different rhythm. But it's actually not a delay, but it's just, yeah. Anyway. I was anyway planning to read now The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which is, I guess, kind of science fiction for beginners. I read it a long time ago and I wanted to reread it. I think it can be interesting if we read the same stuff. I don't know what you think about that, but I think since science fiction is very big genre and can be a lot of different things, I think it's good if we do keep a common verbal understanding of what we're referencing, or not referencing, but yeah. So I think it would be good maybe to read the same stuff. And yeah, last thing, which is a bit the boring practical part, is I was just wondering if Mette, you were planning to have some kind of working contract or just a proof of work, basically just because I need it for the commune to prolong my residence in Belgium. I don't know if that's a problem or not, but yeah, it's just a thing to say. So I guess that's it for now. I'm looking forward to hear from you. I'm gonna start trance dancing occasionally and thinking about stuff. And yeah, good luck and see you soon. Ciao.